When cooking sous vide, it's important that we have good circulation of the water all around the product we're trying to cook. That's how we get the evenness and precise cooking of sous vide. So with one piece, pretty simple. We put our product into the water bath, and now we have good circulation around that product. But what happens if we have multiple products now we're going to add to that? Sometimes what can happen is they can get pushed together. Now we've taken a 1-inch product and essentially made it a 2-inch thick product. So to help with that, a tip that I have is I like to use false bottoms or wire grates, and I'll simply take one and invert it over the other, and I create a nice space in between so that you can always get that water circulation. So now when the top piece of product rests on top of the bottom, there's always going to be good circulation of the water and ensure even cooking with sous vide.